Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Lucid Trading. Today we're going to be taking a look at AMD Advanced Micro Devices stock for the weekly recap from the 19th of October to the 23rd of October. Now before we get into this video, thumbs up for the video and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. I'll be live streaming AMD's Q3 or Q4, I think it's Q3 earnings. Make sure you're subscribed before then because it's going to be an awesome live stream. Alright guys, let's get into this analysis. So, what is happening with AMD? So last time, which was, I think it was yesterday, we predicted we would see, no, it was the day before that, 2 days ago, we would predict that AMD would see a run-up, and we actually predicted this right. Very proud of that. Pretty amazing actually. We said we would go to the $82.5 and after that to the $83.8. Now, I think we would have exactly predicted this if the stock markets weren't tanking. But still, this is a pretty good prediction. You can see the after hours very near to where we said it would go. And yeah, so far so good, right? We are going to have to adjust this prediction because we did go down, so we'll do that very soon. Let's take a look at the 19th, right? So we had a rough past days. I think the whole market did. Many stocks I'm reviewing right now look pretty similar to each other. But yeah, AMD started at about 84.5. We ended the day at 81.55. That was pretty negative, right? But yeah, the markets were going down. And then after that, we were going sideways. We started at like 81.28 on the 20th. We ended up at the same level pretty much, or even down actually. So that is not very good, and we had a sell off when the markets were selling off again. So you see that we went down significantly, 81.75 to 79.68, and then at the end of the day, last hour, we sold off to 79.27. This was pretty much a buying opportunity. I've been saying that. Like, look at the RSI, it's bottoming right there. This was a buying opportunity on the 21st. Then we had 22nd, which was a pretty good day at the beginning, but then we had a sell-off, putting us back at where we started. We hit the support level, and from there on we bounced towards the $80 mark. And in the after hours, we kept rallying. However, we had some gaps that we needed to fill, so we basically filled them in the after hours. You can see this huge red candle. And in the pre-market of the 23rd, we had a rally towards the end of the day. And I think you know why, because earnings is coming up and earnings is going to be pushing AMD stock higher. You can see that the RSI is already moving to overbought territory. And MACD is going up significantly as well. Let's check out some other metrics like the hourly and the 4 hours. See what those are telling us. All right, so the 4 hour tells us, okay, we're almost overbought. So we could still see it go up to about the $84 level, possibly the $85.75 level. This would move the MACD towards this level, which would pretty much not be a weird thing to see before earnings, guys. I think then we could probably go sideways and then we'll sell off after earnings, depending on the news. Well, actually, there's a chance we don't sell off because we already saw a huge correction. So that's also a probability. And we're going to look at the prediction of AMD tomorrow. We'll make another video for the prediction for AMD, else this video is going to be too long. Just make sure you subscribe to my channel. You'll get the video tomorrow for the prediction. Right now, we're just looking at where it's heading and where we are. So you see this huge move in the RSI. Look at that. Jeez. We might correct a little bit before going up on earnings, which would look like that. Something like that, right? Hitting the $84, $85 level. And MACD about to go up huge as well. So that's looking good. 4 hours looking good. The 1 day has bottomed. The 1 day has bottomed out. We are going to see a massive move towards earnings. This move could be significant. It could be It could be a 20 to 30 point move, possibly reaching the $100. However, I think that would take a little bit longer than a day. So I would imagine that we would rally to earnings. Earnings comes up. Earnings are good. Then we gap up, and then after that we keep on rallying, right? If the stock market is neutral. So what I would think is gonna happen is pretty much we hit this resistance, we come back down a bit. We keep rallying, hit the trend line, come back down a bit. We keep rallying, go sideways on earnings on the trend line, and there we would possibly pop after earnings. I'm going to be very, very bullish this time because the daily was looking very bullish, which would pop us to the 90 levels and then over the resistance sideways, and we keep on rallying from there. This could be the scenario. Yeah, this could be the scenario. We've seen this move right there as well, so it wouldn't be too strange. I think we've seen it even before that. We've seen it right here as well, I believe. So let me just go there. Yeah, right. This could very well happen. Like, this is not strange. This is actually very likely to happen. Maybe it might happen. It might happen slower than this, but I think this is very likely. Okay, so I'm looking at the $82.5 level for the next level. Then after that, we correct possibly to the $81.9, $82 level, and then we keep moving forward to the $84 to about the 85.9, 86, 84.80. Okay, so right around here we would be looking at, where we also might be correcting at the 84, and then we head over to the 86. I'm not going to go further deep into this. The deep analysis will be coming for tomorrow, so subscribe to the channel. You'll get the updates. Alright guys, this was my analysis for AMD stock, looking hella bullish. If the markets are also neutral or bullish, this is going to be great for earnings. I'll be live streaming the earnings as well on the 27th, I believe, 27th of October. And on top of that, guys, there will be another video about AMD where I do the prediction for next week. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. Would really appreciate that. Check out the Discord, check out the Patreon where you can support me and get many perks. You can do that in the description, links down below. Guys, this was Lucid Trading, and I hope you have a very nice weekend. I'll be seeing you next time.